Hello friends, I'm Shreya. In this video, I will show you how to make a bracelet design. To make this bracelet design, I used silk thread, wool and pearls. First we made 3 pieces of tassel. We made this tassel using silk thread. I took a piece of wool measuring 1.5 meters. First I took 6 mm off-white pearls in the wool. Then I took a tassel. I have videos of making tassel many times. I hope you will not have any difficulty in making a tassel. Then we took 2 pieces of 6 mm off-white pearls and 1 more tassel. Again we took 2 pieces of 6 mm off-white pearls and 1 more tassel in the same way. This time we will add a jump ring on the tassel. This time we will take a big notebook. We will use it and we will turn the silk thread around the notebook a total of 50 times. I will use fabric glue on one side and cut it evenly with scissors on the other side. Now make another silk chain of yellow color. Now I will stick the 2 chains through the sellotape. Then continue to rotate the 2 chains. Cut the end evenly and apply fabric glue. Then add a jump ring. Here we use a glue gun to fasten it. Put a jump ring on the opposite side and use a glue gun. I will add the tassel that we made at the beginning of the video. Friends, please like, comment, subscribe and support. Thank you so much for watching our video.